Hey y'all, I'm back with another video today. Y'all see I'm on a different phone. Y'all go comment on my stuff on my other phone. So I'm about to teach you how you make slime with shampoo and salt only. So go to my next video. I'm going to my next video to show you the salt. Say 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Oh my God, it worked. Well, let's see, y'all went to my next video, seen it. So all you need is a fork. I'll be using forks all the time. Not all the time, because last time I used spoons. Now I'm using a fork. Y'all not the same one, because I like using it so fucking big. Okay, get shampoo. What is it? Oh, shampoo. My shampoo is this in a cup. So in a cup. So y'all probably think this ain't shampoo. Yes it is. And I got my salt right there. Right here. It's right here. So let's get started. Let's get started. I'm back again. So now let me poke in my stuff. I'm holding myself. Poke a hole in it. Good poke a hole in it. Oh, my finger poked a hole in it. Put all over it. Okay. I'm about to just start. Can you go put it in the trash for me? Put it in the trash. Okay. So, and see you looking. See that? That's what salt. Get your salt. Salt. Pour all of it in there. I don't even know why I did this. I'm playing. Well, I'm just put my salt. Pour the whole thing in there. If y'all don't like pouring the whole thing up in there, get off the video then. If y'all don't like, if y'all probably say, I didn't put it all up in there.
I need my phone.
Huh?
I'm gonna need my phone. I got my calculator. Gotta do something.
Okay, so you get supposed to mix it. How much longer you gonna need it?
My phone?
Yeah. Steer it, going fast mode, so let me put that in fast. Up. Okay, now it's off. Put it on fast mode, so put it in the freezer. Put it in the freezer for 10 minutes. So let me go put it in the freezer. I'll be right back. I put it in the freezer, so I'm gonna be back when the 10 minutes over. So.
You using a red pen?
No, I got it off. I got it off. It's really cold. You can see the smoke. And okay, start mixing it. Put it on fast mode, so for y'all. Let me mix it up. Let's go. Okay, I took it off of fast mode. So, oh yeah, go to the snow cone stand. It's gonna be under the description down below. And oh yeah, go and then we selling Reese's. Y'all can see that Reese's. Okay, and we selling. Sneaker, did I do it? Is it? Sneakers, and it says snarky, whatever it say. It's 2 bars up in there. It's just small. Y'all can just do it like that and eat it like this. So let it get down, mix. Let it get down. I ain't gonna put it on fast mode for this one. Just mixing. Yeah. Oh yeah. Now you let it sit for not 2 days. For in the morning. Put it on your bed, because under the bed is good. So let me go put this under my bed. And it's nighttime now. And I'm about to get back. Okay, so bye now. Don't leave yet. So bye now. Okay, y'all. I'm back again. Oh, Jesus. It's in the morning. Oh, we just got done working. It's in the morning. Oh, yeah, guys, see, I got the same clothes on because I forgot. I took a bath. And I put this on. I just took a bath and I put the clothes on. I haven't changed clothes yet, so let me go. Oh, yeah, I forgot to go get the thing out of my bed. So I got it. The next video, I'm pranking. And now it worked. It worked, bro. Let me show you. Ooh, I can touch it. Oh, it worked. Let me put it like this. No, I like it like this. See, it worked. You see it? It worked. You need to go get in the bed. Uncle Lazo, you go get in the bed. Oh, my uncle, no. We at my house. He said he got a bed up there. I don't even know why. I'm playing. Don't go get in the bed. I'm playing though. You taking a nap. You see what I do? I would not do that. You see it? See it? See it? Ta-da. Good. Oh my God, Kia, you shut up. Don't Kia get on your nerves sometimes.
Yeah.
Yep, because she be laughing too much. Oh my God. Oh yeah, all the other videos I made slime worked. Sometimes I be telling y'all, I'm gonna show you the next day how the slime look. Here go the slime. I mixed it up with this. So the pinkish is at the bottom. And yeah, you got some marbles you don't need. Marbles. Well, you got some earrings, diamond. I just like the noise of it. If y'all want to stay with me, I gotta go. So I think I gotta go. I'm not gonna leave yet. When you need your phone now?
Not just yet.
Never mind. You hear the noise? I like that noise. So go check out my other videos. The next video, and I'm When I'm
So what? You signed the
gonna
papers
do it
today?
again. This time
Okay.
is with four
I want
racks
to tell
of
you,
stuff.
you need to sign the tax thing.
It's gonna be the same color,
Okay,
same
you said you got to
beat.
do that by the 20th.
Don't
Tomorrow's
say
12.
I did not use it, so y'all can shut up about this stuff. I can shut up about that stuff. Say I did not use it. If you want to come in real life, come on then, rat. That rat scared me. Yep. I gotta go now, guys. I'm about to get ready to upload another video. So, bye bye. And then I'm gonna show you this tag again. If y'all like it, leave a like and comment down below. Did you like it? Can I add my account on your Instagram? You
Why
just
would
want,
you do that?
huh?
Why would you do that?
I don't know. So you won't be all in my stuff.
You want to be in your stuff up?
Cause I'm gonna have my account on your stuff. People gonna be texting me. So yeah, go follow it's mama. Look, go follow it's _mama _15. That is my girlfriend. So bye bye y'all.